Hello again, welcome back to my channel. As you're out and about, today I've come up to Rushall Junction, Canal, and we're going to have a little stroll around it. It's a nice day for it, so let's have a walk. I've decided not to go up the Rushall Canal. I'm just going to carry straight on up the Tame Valley towards Warsaw, and then I think on to Tipton, but I'm not going that far today. I don't know, just go to Warsaw side and then back towards Great Bar. I'm standing right next to the M6 at the minute. There it is. It's a lovely stretch of canal. Recently it's appeared in, it was a BBC drama, was it This Town or something like that? The bridge down here, I'll show it you when I get there. This is the bridge. Right then guys, that's been my walk on the Tame Valley Canal. I've terminated it here at Bulls Hill Bridge. I think it's on the edge of Wednesbury. So I'm going to have a walk back down there. If you like what you're seeing, please do hit that subscribe button. It really does help me out. It helps the channel to grow. I'll say thank you very much, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.